Welcome to Godrej South Estate. I'm Surbhi Sachdeva and I'll be telling you about this project and showing you around. But first, let me tell you a little bit about Godrej Properties as a brand.
Godrej Properties combines a 123-year-old legacy of trust with our commitment to cutting-edge design and technology. We are currently present in 12 cities across the country and have 13 ongoing projects in NCR.
This is Godrej South Estate, Godrej Properties' first gated community in Delhi.
We are located at South Delhi, next to the hotel Crown Plaza, and has connectivity to areas like Hauskas, Greater Kailash, New Friends Colony, and Saket. We are also in close proximity to notable landmarks such as the Qutub Minar, Tughlaqabad Fort, and the Lotus Temple.
Godrej South Estate is spread over 2 hectares of land and we will be developing 5 towers. Right here is tower number 1, then we have SB1, SB2, tower number 2 and EWS right at the corner. This complex will be having 372 units in total. You can access this complex by 2 main entrances. One is right here and the other one is at the other end. Godrej South Estate comes with its own private park, a rarity in Delhi. You have a beautiful expanse of 1.5 hectares of open green area and that's about 75% open space. And this is totally landscape.
There is a lot for you in the private park. We have 3 major outdoor sports arenas with amenities such as a badminton court and a skating rink. We have even achieved a very organic integration of the blues with the greens. So across this landscape, we have a vast swimming pool with ornate water bodies and streams. These provide an excellent backdrop for our open-air amphitheatre and the jogging track. There are several pockets for even kids to play. And all this is spread across a car-free zone. And this is not it. The best highlight about the landscaping at Godrej South Estate is that we'll be establishing an advanced system of air purification, MFFA. That's a mechanical filterless fresh air system that pulls in the air around us and flushes out much purer air after a complex 4-stage process of filtration. This reduces the harmful pollutants in the air like PM10 and nitrogen oxide, things that we all struggle with every year in Delhi. These MFFA units will be placed across high activity zones in the landscape like along the pool deck or the jogging track or the play area for your kids.
We also have a boutique clubhouse. The clubhouse is spread over 1850 square meters of area and has 4 levels.
This comes with several recreational activities that you can indulge in, like an indoor games room, squash courts, a multi-purpose hall, and even a yoga deck.
We have tied up with some major international brands to bring you the best of the experience. The spa will be managed by Elle. The gymnasium is brought to you by Ramona Braganza and the concierge services are by Quintessentially. There are 4 towers where we are currently offering you large 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK homes.
These towers come with an iconic facade with the crown illuminated in the shades of copper that's going to serve as a landmark in this locality for years to come. The elevation is studded with intricate jali work as a homage to the many great historical Mughal monuments.
So as of now, we have launched only 3 towers, tower number 2, SB2 and SB1.
The tower 2 is G plus 29 floors tall, SB2 is G plus 23 floors and SB1 is G plus 19 floors tall. Tower 2 comes with 4 to a core homes, while SB1 and SB2 are a mix of 4 and 2 to a core homes. Tower 2 has 3 BHK and 4 BHK with utility. SB1 and SB2 towers offer 2 BHK and 2 BHK with study.
Now, I'll give you a tour of a 4 BHK, which is available in tower number 2 and is spread over a spacious area of 358 square meters. So as we go through the entrance, you're welcomed into a large foyer area of 2.1 into 2.4 meters. The finishing that you see here is of crema marfil marble flooring. The apartment finishing will be done the same way if you decide to opt for a palette option with us, Or you can also go for a bare shell unit, which you can style as per your own preference. So right here we have the utility room. This room can be used as a study room, waiting room, or even a home office. The measurement of this room is 3.1 into 2.5 meters. You can also use this room as a servant room because you have an option to connect to the servant washroom right here, which measures around 1.65 into 1.25 meters. You also have an option to connect to the utility balcony, which measures around 2.8 meters. So opposite to the utility room, we have a very spacious guest bedroom of 4.13 into 4.01 meters, which can easily accommodate a king-size bed. You also have a very spacious 2-meter wide wooden deck with glass railings to enjoy the splendid views of the central greens and the city expanse. Next to the guest bedroom, we have a washroom of 1.78 into 2.7 meters. The washroom comes with premium Kohler fittings. All the washroom finishings and wooden deck is included in our pallet options. And now we have a magnificent living area that flows into the dining area. It's a vast rectangular layout of 6.87 into 4.3 meters with an attached running balcony which is 2 meters wide and has a wooden deck. As you can see, this is a fairly open layout with wide windows to allow maximum natural light to pour in during the day, which is great especially in sunny Delhi winters. And during the other times, it will keep this room ventilated throughout. On the opposite is a contemporary dry and wet kitchen concept. The dimensions of the kitchen are 3.65 into 3.55 meters. The dry area is an open live kitchen with an elegant bar-like counter, and the wet area is towards the utility room. Now let's take a look at the bedrooms. The passage leading towards the bedroom is 1.2 meters wide. On the right side here, we have the second bedroom, which can serve as a children's bedroom. This bedroom comes with hardwood flooring and a running balcony, which is 2 meters wide. The dimensions of the connected washroom with this bedroom is 1.78 into 3.2 meters. Just opposite to this bedroom, we have the third bedroom with dimensions 3.93 into 3.3 meters. This room also comes with an attached washroom of 1.78 into 2.7 meters. One of the best highlights about this room is this massive bay window to enjoy delightful views. And last but not the least is the master suite, your master bedroom located at the end of the house for maximum privacy. This is the biggest bedroom of all and measures 4.58 into 5.1 meters. You have your own walk-in closet and a lavish bath of 3.76 into 2.3 meters attached to it. The connected deck is 8.52 into 2 meters, which is a running balcony, perfect for your house parties or sundowners. And finally, we are proud to say that each feature at Godrej South Estate has been designed with utmost care. We've not only paid special attention to the layout, the design features, but also to the air that you breathe. Here, you have your personal air management system with our cutting-edge filterless magnetic air purification technology. Now this does two things. First, throughout your day, you can monitor the carbon dioxide levels in your house and improve oxygen levels when required. The second feature is that through a complex 3-stage filtration, it gets rid of pollutants like PM10, PM2.5 and other harmful pollutants. Now this brings us to an end of this tour. Thank you so much for taking this tour with me. You can reach out to Godrej Properties for further queries and we will resolve it for you. We are happy to welcome you soon at this landmark destination.